Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Makamatch pang Wonder Vlog starring PABIBE and PABIBE. Hello PABIBE! Ngayon, nakadamit si Nitro ng ganito kasi malamig na dito sa Australia. Lumalamig na. April na ngayon. Malapit na mag-May. Kaya malamig na. Malapit na mag-winter. Yes. Hey baby. So may socks, may medyas si Nitro. Nakasuot siya ng jumper, tracksuit pants. Hey baby. Yes. Kasi malamig na ano. Yes.
Nandun si Mom at saka si Dad. Andito tayo ngayon sa... What's this?
Dito tayo ngayon sa Gold Coast.
Gold Coast.
Yes, Gold Coast. Ganda dito, di ba? Malapit sa dagat. May beach
kasi
doon.
mag-birthday na si Dad bukas.
Yes. So, bukas ang birthday ni Tatay. I made it.
Happy
Made it to what are you? 54? 54.
54.
54, mate. Halfway to 108, mate.
Halfway mark.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Oh, ito na naman yung damit ko. Ito ba yung damit ko last time? Ito ba yung damit ko last time? Parang ito ata yung damit ko last time. Oh, ito na naman yung damit ko. At nandito naman tayo sa same place na pinuntahan natin na ito yung suot ng, sorry, ito, frame. Dwaine, where are you? Oh. Yung mama tsaka papa mo tumawid na red pa.
Kainis.
Okay, pwede
Ayan,
na.
green na.
Ayan, hindi pa ako nakakapagsalita. Ayan, sorry po kasi inayos ko lang yung itsura ko para presentable, char.
And Wonder Fan, magdi-dinner po tayo ngayon para sa birthday ni Papa. Nag-stay din tayo sa isang hotel dito sa Gold Coast. Mamaya, papakita namin sa inyo ang hotel namin. Maganda, sosyal, char.
Social ka dyan.
Yun, so magdi-dinner kami ngayon. Kasama din namin sina Brooke at Nathaniel. Naalala nyo ba sila? Tandaan nyo ba? Kasama namin sa sa road trip namin sa New South Wales dati. So yun, yun yung puntahan natin ngayon.
Us running in the pouring rain.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I remember that. Yeah, nandito na naman tayo. Mom keeps drifting.
You haven't even been drinking. Yeah, maybe you have been drinking.
Na ano siya, hindi natatapilak parang hindi ko alam Tagalog nun. Pag napaparambo kung paghahawaray. Magwaray na lang tayo. So, nandito na naman tayo sa place na sinabi kong parang Dumaguete yung feel. Pero parang may na-offend na kinumpare ko ang Gold Coast sa Dumaguete. Ang ibig ko lang naman sabihin, yung feel sa side ng ng dagat kasi ganun yung feeling. Eh, wag na po kayong mas strong. Hindi ko sinasabing hindi maganda ang Gold Coast. Kabaliktaran po. Nitro! Nitro!
He's so amazed. Nagulat siya. Daming tao. Maingay. Ganun. Nagulat siya. Yes.
Look, Nitro! It's you!
Nitro, hey. Look, it's mommy. It's mommy. Can you see mommy?
There's another baby. See, there's another baby.
Hey. Oh, here we are.
Oh! Hi, Chucky! Nandito na pala.
I thought we'd set up this end because my chair is here for you guys. Or you can put it anywhere along there.
Do you remember them, baby Nitro?
Oh, what the hell? Yes, hey, boy.
That's kind of matching, aren't you?
Nitro! Nitro! That's Mio, is it? All these clothes are from Mio. Yes. Say hi!
Who's that? That's your Auntie Brooke. That's your Tita Brooke. Hey. Yes.
Nathaniel, I think I dropped my earring at your parents' place.
Nitro.
And I had that for like 13 years. I don't think they would find because it's just like a little circle with gold and then white gold inside. It's super tiny, like this big.
I'll text her and ask.
Maybe it's in your Dyson.
Oh. Dito na tayo sa Elston. Para siyang bar na may mga masarap na pagkain. Ayan, tapos na po yung kain. Yes, nagkain ka din. Ano? Kumain ka din, Baby Nitro. Ano? Yes, sarap ba? Sarap ba, bebe? Ha? Yes, so masarap. Ano? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It is. Oh, mommy's feeding you. Kain na. Yes, sarap. No? Yes, lamig kain mo na. Bye!
Add all up like this, don't you?
Who's that, Nitro? Sino yan?
She's trying to move away from the crowd. She was so like the last guy had a guy, he never missed a break. He never missed. He was good, looked after the and the guy before him was another weed smoker, young bloke. So I said, no, I'm not putting young people in. Family or old blokes, single blokes. Yeah, great job. So the only reason he moved out, he's a gay guy, and he inherited his dad's house.
Give him the smolder. Give him the smolder. Come on. Give him the smolder.
Oh, well, you know, play stand. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Oh look, it's the balloon Nitro.
Wow, that's pretty cool. Uncle Nathaniel's got your Baby Nitro. Yay!
Oh, it's very much.
Okay, tapos na po yung kain namin. Ngayon naman, pupunta kami sa markets. Yan, may night market kasi doon. Over there. Ayun. Yun,
May
so
sumali
tara
sa
na.
vlog. Sumali sila sa vlog.
Tara na. Doon na tayo.
Goodbye, Shanta.
I see you today. See you tomorrow. Morning, okay. Don't oversleep.
Statue man.
Taging kwarta.
Ayun no. Gumagalaw eh. Gumagalaw na siya.
Come on.
Dito na tayo sa marketplace.
Hey, Pearl.
Mom.
Pearl necklace. Ayun no. Perlas. Perlas ng...
Carlos na sila nga na.
Nitro! Hey buddy!
So I don't
Bili-bili na.
understand.
I'm sorry, no photo on the table.
Oh.
No, this one just one size.
Anong hinahanap mo, Shanta?
At tuman.
Ha?
It's outside.
Isaac,
Time for some serious opal haggling. Isn't it, Nitro? Say yes. No, it's not. Okay.
something like that. This
Dwaine, isipin mo kung may kasang pangit ko ngayon.
You don't want to go to sleep. You go to sleep? No?
Gonna get some opals, Dad.
If you want a stack, I have these ones.
No, she likes the flower, just the flower.
The white one or not my hands. My hands are ugly. Which one is better? The white one or the blue one?
The blue, I like the blue.
Yeah, I think I like the blue one, yeah. Blue one's good, Sean. Bumibili si Shanta ngayon ng opal. Wag lang epal. Shanta!
Epal.
Naman.
Iwan mo na muna ako dito. Kasi
Bakit?
tingnan ko lang.
Nag-opal shopping ka? Sige na. Pili ka na. Yes, iwanan muna namin si Shanta dyan kasi matagal siya mag-shopping and we're gonna go see the psychic, ang manghuhula. Dad's gonna see. What? Oh, it's alright. Well, when you find out what you want, come get us.
What? I won't find you.
Yes, you will. We're just up the end. It's just a straight line.
So if I found one I like, I'll call you. You're
Yeah.
so. I'll just call you.
Okay.
Because you can hear me.
Sige, sige. Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Ayan, let's go see the manghuhula. Ganda, no? Markets sa tabi ng dagat, no? Ganda, white sand pa. Boracay ang peg.
Python. If that python's a little bit too small, we have our bigger black-headed python. So again, python meaning non-venomous. We definitely wouldn't allow people to take photos with venomous snakes or something that can kill them in under 30 minutes. You know, it's a lawsuit waiting to happen if we were to do that. Yeah, like I said, we have our two pythons doing it for you. We have our crocodile. So if anyone's interested in our
Parang si Mami Santa ahas. Okay, dito na si Tatay sa Unit Oracle. Manghuhula. What questions are you gonna ask, Dad?
No, you got to tell me my fortune.
Really?
You got to say things that you couldn't possibly know.
Malamig na ngayon, malamig na. As in, sobrang lamig na. Grabe. Nitro! What you doing, huh? What you doing, baby? Uy! Nitro! Nag-enjoy ka ba dito, bebe? Nag-enjoy ka ba dito? Nitro, hey, baby! Nice and rugged up now, hey, boy! Thrones. Game of Thrones. Okay guys, nangabalik na kami dito sa hotel. Yung, baby. Ito yung hotel room namin. Yes. Ganda, no? Shan! It's actually the next morning. Natulog na po kami.
Hello.
Kaso sobrang puwit kami kagabi. Kaya tulog agad. Shan!
Hello po.
What did you get last night? Where's your opals? Saan yung opal? Ay, epal pala.
Ito po yung binili ko last night. Nakikita ba?
Sanaol.
Nakikita ba? Tapos, ay hindi pala yan. Ito. Diba? So pretty. Pretty.
So again guys, today is Dad's birthday. Happy birthday, Dad. 54, mate.
Yes,
You made it.
I made it. Almost didn't.
That's right. 54, my great granddad died of a heart attack. So if you make it to 55, you're a winner, mate.
I'll be.
That's right. Got one more year.
Well, the doctor told me in hospital, he said 90% of patients who come in with my condition die. So I have a 10% chance of survival, and I made it.
Well, according to the Oracle last night, you lived to your 90, mate.
Yeah, and then the psychic told me I'm going to live to 90 now, so I must have really good pacemakers in the future.
Yun yung sabi ng manghuhula sa kanya kagabi. Hanggang 90 years old daw siya. Alright guys, maraming salamat sa panonood sa vlog na to at kita-kits po sa sunod na video natin. Yung sunod na vlog natin, yun yung birthday mismo ni Tatay. Ngayong araw. Ayun, abangan nyo bukas. Okay guys, bye for now. Bye-bye!